from Stop Picking on Me, the book, which is the definitive guide on excoriation skin picking disorder, otherwise known as SPD. So I've written this book, and in this book I have some wonderful ideas for masks and scrubs and cleansers that you don't have to spend an arm and a leg for. And you don't have to put a lot of chemicals on your face. You can just use exactly what Mother Nature gave us to clean and heal our skin. So what we're doing today, oh, I'm sorry, this is
Pam.
This is
Sophia.
And we are Team SPOM. Okay, so today we're going to do a sea salt based scrub. And the reason we use sea salt is because the salt is actually a really great antibacterial. And it helps to pull out toxins from our skin and our bodies. So right now we've got some pink Himalayan salt that we've crushed up. We have, oh, I lost my little thing. We have 2 tablespoons of salt. Now you don't have to use pink salt. You should use sea salt because it's very high in minerals. But the main thing is that you use some kind of non-traditional table salt. Should be sea salt or rock salt, a good quality rock salt. So we have 2 tablespoons of salt here. It's very coarse.
Coarse, yeah.
It's very coarse. And then we also have how much do I have here? 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of oil. We're using a good organic olive oil.
Ooh.
Very good. Yeah, you guys fill in that, Thank you.
Ah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, and then 1 teaspoon of grapefruit juice. Okay, so we have 2 things here, the salt and the grapefruit juice. If you have any open sores on your face, it could sting a little bit. And so one of the things I want to talk about, when you do scrubs, actually here, would you like to spoon? So when you do scrubs, the whole point of scrubs is not to tear the skin off your face. It's there just to do very, very gentle, mild exfoliation. If you read the book, I tell you how incredibly fragile your skin is. So, the whole point of you reframing your relationship with your skin is to reframe the way you treat your skin, and especially when you're doing scrubs. So we have a guinea pig for our salt scrub today, and that would be Pamela. And so Pamela's going to just do a little scrubbing on her face and share with us how she feels about it. And so, okay, so I talked about the salt is an antibacterial and a drawing agent. The grapefruit juice is going to give you citric acid, another AHA. You go to the store, you buy those tubes and pots of things loaded with AHAs. They probably put, this much AHA in there just so they can slap that on the label. You can squeeze a lemon, a lime, an orange, any citrus fruit, and you can get yourself decent AHAs for your face. You can even, pat use it as toner or astringent. Mm-hmm. Yep. So,
a spritz bottle?
Huh?
Spritz.
You could do a little spritz bottle, just don't get in your eyes. And be careful. You said, what about the sun?
You can become photosensitive when you go out in the sun after having citrus on you.
So what do you think?
It feels nice. It's
Yeah?
rough, but good, because I have a lot of dry skin with my acne that needs to come off.
Yeah? Okay, and it's not too, we use pretty coarse salt, so I would say that you could actually use a fine salt too, that might be a little bit more gentle on your skin.
I don't think it was too bad.
It wasn't too bad?
But I'm also used to picking at my face.
Ah. Now you are, but down the line you won't.
Yes.
So, okay. We're going to cut for a second. She's going to go rinse her face off, and then we're going to get the Monday morning quarterback, how you feel about what you just did. Okay, bye. I'm putting you in the middle. You're now the star of our show.
How's that feel?
So I just told her, that, again, from the camera you probably can't see, but your skin looks like fresher and younger to me.
It feels
Yeah.
so soft.
Yeah.
And it didn't actually stink too bad. I
that's
have
good.
some acne that I was picking at, and so not too bad at all.
Awesome.
Yeah, I love it. I should stop touching it though.
That's so great. That's great. That's so good. Thank you so much for being my guinea pig today.
Thank you.
All right, so like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and remember to stop picking on yourself and say it to yourself in the mirror. Stop picking on me. Because nobody else can tell you what to do. You have to tell yourself what to do. Okay, so this is all of us signing off to say thank you for joining us. Team SPOM.
Team SPOM.
Team SPOM. Team SPOM. Go make your own cosmetics, okay? Bye-bye.
The statements in this video have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. The information, including but not limited to text, graphics, images, and other material contained in this video are for informational purposes only. The purpose of this video is to promote broader consumer understanding of various health and spiritual topics. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a licensed qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or treatment and before undertaking a new healthcare regimen. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have read or heard online. Their Anand and Team SPOM do not recommend or endorse any specific tests, physicians, products, procedures, opinions, or other information that may be mentioned. Reliance on any information appearing in this video or any online videos is solely at your own risk. The author and publisher shall have neither liability nor responsibility to any person or entity with respect to any loss, damage, or injury caused directly or indirectly by the information contained herein. Know that this life is ephemeral and is calling on you to heal. Thank you for being part of my journey.